Stiga Jack Brown. Now, I haven't seen one of these.
Okay, Kim.
Show me more. I mean, same battery setup as the Pruner.
Yeah, so what we have here, this is a little PR100, a mini chainsaw. So in terms of the chain blade, we've got on the front there. So it's a proper little chainsaw. In terms of the adjustment for it, it's all twistable on here as well. So as this slackens off during use, it's a toolless adjustment. A nice feature as well is you've also got an oil reservoir on the top here.
So you just top it up with oil.
Top it into oil on there, and that will drip feed onto the bar to keep it lubricated during use. It's really essential. I mean, you're going to get a little bit of heat off this during use. So without this, what you'd need to be doing is spraying on oil lubricant just to keep it sharp. Yeah, it gets messy. This is an automatic way of doing it. On the handle, it's soft grip, so there's absolutely minimal vibration that's coming through there. And then in terms of the battery, as you've mentioned, it's the Stiga 20-volt battery that operates a lot of items. A nice feature also available for this is a telescopic handle. So you can click this into the bottom and you can extend it up by a few meters.
That's really useful, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's a nice tool.
So that's new for 2025.
Let's put that back on there.
So that product itself is around £129.
So it fits in nicely with the Pruner.
Yeah, so the SC100 is the little secateurs that we had last year. This is the same sort of concept. You can also get this as a multi-pack, where you get the Pruner, the secateurs, one battery and one charger as a complete gardening kit.
And that reduces the cost a little bit because you haven't got two chargers.
You do, or two batteries, and that brings it to £199 all in.
That's really good value.
Yeah.
Now you've moved into hand tools now. So what do we got here?
We've got a new range, there's 15 items in total. We start from little pruners, snips on here. So these little ones there are $9.99. It's Japanese blades, cutting technology on those, and little grip handles. And we go through the complete range, up to some telescopic bypass lockers there, which are $44.99. These are extendable on the handles, but it's a new addition for us at Stiga. We haven't been in this market before, but it's something else for the gardener to use.
Well, I think when you're in gardening, you've really got to cover a wide range of everything that you would use in the garden. And if it comes down to hand tools, it comes down to hand tools.
It comes down to hand tools, it's just something nice, but a very good quality hand tool as well. So, I mean, Stiga is known for cutting technology. There's superior cutting technology we use on all these items as well.
Now, over here, you've got one of my sort of friends. I love robot mowers. I think they're absolutely fascinating. Now, are you changing anything to do with them?
We've got some new models coming this year. We've got some smaller models, so we get to more keener price points. And we've also changed the installation process on these. The steps that are required to install have been minimised. It means where there was 22 steps previously, it's now 5 automated steps to complete the installation of the products. So there's 4 new models that's going to be coming for Easter. We're starting from
It's a huge market though, isn't it? I mean, you just don't realise that people with large areas down to pocket gardens are using it, aren't they?
There's also as well, I mean, a lot of the houses in the UK, we have front and we have back gardens, and they're separated. Robots now, the technology and the intelligence, they know when they're on grass, they know when they're on hard standing. My one at home, I have a back garden, it comes to the side of the house, it goes to the front garden. There's no risk, there's no worry, the blades aren't spinning, I haven't got the inefficiency of it bouncing over the driveway. It follows the same path every time, we can place in 2 areas with 1 robot.
Impressive, impressive. Now, of course, we've got tractors. You've got a good range, we've tested. If I knew the one I'd tested, I'd be able to tell you. It's the one where
it's from those articulated.
We've tested that for Stiga. Really impressive from a kit. But that, of course, is a petrol one, and we're moving on to going on to a lot more tankers.
We have 7 models in our range that are battery. Battery models as well. It's really exciting. Then we have bigger units such as this machine here, which will have a fixed battery assembly. This model itself is actually a petrol one. We've revamped these for 2025 as well.
So what's different on this one?
You'll notice is we've got higher back ergo seats, so there's more ventilation within the seat areas here. It's also a nicer fitting. We've also updated some other nice novelties, such as the steering wheel. And when you've got your little Stiga pruners and you don't want to lose them, you've now got the perfect plug hole just to keep
Whereas it
everything.
used to have a pocket here, and
Still
they
pop on the
bounced
seat.
out.
That's the one. That's the one. But don't worry, Kim. We've still got the
the one for the drink.
one for the drink as well. Our tractors generally as well for 2025. We've reviewed the engines that are coming with. So a lot of them have engine upgrades, mulch plugs, tow bars, and battery chargers are also included. So it's a full kit for the garden. There's nothing else to have.
Just go Stiga. It's as simple as that. So we've got everything from small hand tools, electric pruners, electric mowers, in everything from robot to tractor.
We've pretty got much anything a domestic gardener can require, from little hand secateurs up to the equipment to deal with sort of 3.5 to 4 acres. What comes to me.
Thank you very much indeed,
No,
Jay.
thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.